Hi, it's the year 2222, and now it's like my home live in the Prince Street. But England now they involve in the World War III because there are fewer land to be used, and also like country they scramble for land and resources. And this remind me to the song Croatian Rhapsody.